No words required. How about an easy chicken recipe? This is my chicken burger on the barbecue. I start out by cooking up my bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms. I add a little bit of olive oil, a dash of salt and pepper, and a little bit of oregano. I put my bacon right inside that cast iron pan, and here I'm using leftover chicken, putting it back on the grill, adding a little bit of olive oil, a little bit more salt and pepper, and some oregano to freshen everything up. Once that bacon is almost fully cooked, I take it out of the pan and I add it right on top of the vegetables. That way I can get a little bit more of that flavor infused into my bell peppers and onions and mushrooms. All right, construction time. I take the bell peppers, I add those in. I'm going to be layering in a little bit of special sauce. That easy recipe is right on my YouTube channel. There goes that chicken and bacon. Finally, some mushrooms and onions. And of course, the top of the bun to close it all off. Please also remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. You'll see more great, easy recipes. Look at this fantastic chicken burger. Straight from the barbecue and straight into your kitchen. You can be your own master chef. Keep on trying. Boom.